Let me show you how to configure for debugging in the VS Code. This is only for Mac OS Catalina 10.15. If you are using pre-Catalina 10.14 or lower, refer to the previous video. So here is the menu icons on the VS Code, and this one, the one with the bug icon, that's for to set up debugging mode. Click that, and then since we haven't configured any debugger mode yet, you will see create launch JSON file. Click that, and then choose LLDB. So all the other ones are C++, GDB, LLDB, that's not working. So always choose LLDB only. Then check that the type is LLDB and the request is launch. So this is the one for Catalina macOS. And then you need to change, edit one thing in the program. So in angle bracket, you have your name part, delete this one, and then give the execution file name. We are going to use a.out for this course. So this is what you need to edit. For some reason, if you don't have this one rightly, then you can click add configuration and then choose LLDB, launch a new process. You can choose this one to find the right one. And then you need to just edit this part, then you get that. So let me delete this one, and then this is the original one.